Hello everyone, what's up? In today's session, we will be looking at best use of format cells, quick design using styles. Why to wait? Let's go to Excel. To open format cells, you have two ways. One is you can click on any of these small icons here, which is called dialog launcher, and you will get the format cell window. Or you can use Control 1 as shortcut. Now you can see the format cell has different tabs. Now we will go one by one. To use a format cell, first you need to select the cell which you want to format. Now I will click on this icon. Now I will click on general category. It is already in the general category. So you can see 100, it is as it is. Now I will select the second cell. In this case, I will be selecting the number. So I'll click on this, I'll click on number. Now you can see in number, you have multiple options. One is decimals, where you can change multiple decimals. Similarly, you can use separator. And the third one is you can select any format for the negative numbers. For example, I'll select this. I'll click on OK. Now you can see 4-digit after the dot, and you can see the negative number with colored. I will select the third one and I'll use currency. So if you click on currency, you have multiple options like decimal, and you can select the symbol of any currency. Now we want rupees. Same format for negative numbers, this one, and click on OK. For the accounting, you can click on accounting, and you have decimal places and symbol. Let's say I want no decimal places. I will remove this to 0 and click on OK. Now for this cell, I will update the date format. I'll go Control 1. I will select the date. You have location, you have calendar type. You can select anything you want. Let's say I want to select this format. I'll click on OK. Now you can see it is updated with 31st January 2022. Now similarly for the time, I will select the cell, Control 1, go to time, and then I want, for example, this format. So I'll click on OK. Now you can see the time format. Friends, these are the formatting options we will be using regularly. Custom is one of the options which is available in format cells, and many people doesn't know how to use it. And today we are going to see the best use of custom format cells. Let's say I have values X and values Y, and I want the difference to be taken here, but I don't want to show the difference. Instead, I want to show in the up arrow or down arrow. First, you need to insert the symbols. Now I will select the area I want to custom. Then we will go to format cells and click on custom. Now in this case, you can see under type you have general. So we are going to remove general and we are going to create the custom. First, you need to understand the structure of the custom format. First one is positive numbers, semicolon. Second is negative numbers, semicolon. Third is zeros, semicolon. And after the semicolon, fourth one is text. For the positive numbers, I want the up arrow, and I will update down arrow in the negative numbers, and I will update 0. I'll click on OK. Now you can see positive numbers are upwards, negative numbers are downwards, 0 is 0. Now it is looking good, but I want to color it. To do so, you have to select it, go to the format cells, click in the beginning. To give any colors, you need to give in the big bracket. Let's say I will give the big bracket. I want to give green. So I'll select green, and then for this I will give red. So in the big bracket, open red, close the big bracket, click on OK. Now you see up arrows come in green, down arrow is coming in red, and 0 is coming as it is. Friends, this is good enough to see the symbols, but if I have numbers with it, it will be more effective. So we will try to add numbers here. Friends, we will subtract from Y minus X. We will drag it till down. And now I will select on the format cells, custom. I will select the same format which I created some time back, this one. I will use ash, which is denoted number. And then for the red one, I will use minus and ash, which will give me the negative number. And for 0, we will keep it as it is and click on OK. Now you can see the positive numbers are giving arrow mark with positive difference, and negative are giving me downward mark with the negative difference, and 0 is giving as it is. Friends, this is how you can do a best use of format cells. Friends, just to summarize, custom format cells will have 4 parameters: positive, semicolon, negative, semicolon, 0 semicolon text. If you want to use any symbol, you can directly update. You want to use a word positive, so you can, in the quotes, you can write positive. If you want to get the number, you can type ash. If you want to get color, you need to use the big bracket. Let's say you don't want negative number to be shown, you have to just keep a space so that it will not show any number, any text on that particular cell if the value is negative. In the text place, if you want to show only text, then you have to use at symbol. Friends, now we will go to the alignment. Now if I am clicking on alignment, whatever options you are able to see, almost those options are available in this particular area. Friends, for the alignment, you can see this particular structure. It works in the exact same way. Now, the bottom one, if you see, it moves to the left, to the right, to the center. It doesn't go up and down. In the above one, you can see it is going up, middle, and down, but it is not going to the left and right. This is horizontal alignment, and this is for vertical alignment. Friends, if you see in J10, this text has been come out of the cell. You will be using wrap text. If I'm clicking on wrap text, you can see it has increased the height of the cell and it is fitted within the cell. Let's say I don't want height of the row to be changed. In that case, we can select these two cells and click on merge and center. You can see it merged both the cells and brought it in the center. The next option we are going to see is font. Under font, you have multiple options. We are going to see 3 effects which are available in fonts. Now I'll select the cell and click on Ctrl 1. So I can see here font. So in this font, I want to do a strike through. Let's say I want to click on this. You can see the preview here. It is striking through the text. So let's say I want to use superscript. Then in that case, let's say I will select this area and click on Ctrl 1. Superscript here. Click on this and click on OK and enter. You can see the superscript has gone up. And similarly, to do the subscript, you can select this, Ctrl 1 and then subscript and click on OK and enter. Now you can see it has come down to the normal text. Similarly, the font, right now in the cell, you can see I have added ABCD, capital letters, small letters, symbol, numbers, everything. Now it is in the Cambria font. Now we will change it to Wingdings. Now you can see it has changed to a different symbols. Now if you want to use any symbols out of these, so you can use this particular font. Now similarly, you have 2-3 fonts under this, which is Wingdings 2, Wingdings 3. In Wingding 2, you have different symbols, and Wingding 3, you have different symbols. Now we will go to the borders. I will select this cell and click on Ctrl 1. Now you can see here we have the borders. In borders, there are many types. Now if you want to change the style of the border, let's say I want to put the double border and I want to color the border, let's say blue. And then I want the border outline to be available for whole this one. You can see here the preview. Let's say you want the border only on the left and right. You don't want top and bottom. Then you can click on this and click on this. You can see now on the left side and the right side border is there. You don't have the borders in top and bottom. Let's say you want to bring one line here and you can click on this so that it will put the border. Now we will see how it looks. You can see this looks like a N. Now we will go to the fill color. So to fill color, again we can click on Ctrl 1. We have fill here. Now to fill, we have different options. One is you have different colors here where you will be able to select any color. Now you have different patterns also. Let's say I want to go for this particular pattern and you click on OK. You can see the cell color is actually with a pattern. Now if you like, okay, I don't want to put one colors, I want to go for multiple colors. In that case, you can go to format cells. You can click on fill effects. Now you have multiple colors. You can select any color you want from center. Let's say this is looking beautiful. So I'll click on OK and I'll click on OK. Now you can see multicolor filled in the cell. Let's say I want to fill the same red color within this particular cell. By the way, friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. You can see the similar icon below. Now, to get this particular color, copy this image, go to MS Paint, you can paste it here, and you have this tool which is called Color Picker. You can click on this, you can click on the color you want to select, and then click on this. Now you can see here you have RGB color here. We'll go to Excel, we'll select this cell, Control 1, more colors, 223, 46 and 36. Click on OK and click on OK. Now you can see the exact same color has been appeared within the cell. Friends, now we will go to styles. Now you can see this particular data is actually very plain and you want to quickly design something. In that case, you can quickly use styles in Excel. As we can see, these are the headers. So I will select the headers and click on cell styles, and you can see different options available here. So I can select one of them, and let's say I want to select this area in the blue color. I'll click on OK, and then I will select this whole area and I'll update some borders, and then I will make it as a middle alignment. Now you see you have a dashboard which is looking decent than the plain text. Friends, to do something very quickly, style is your friend. Friends, I hope these options are helpful for you. So if you have any questions or comments, please write in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel so that I can bring better and better content in every lessons. Also, please share my channel with your friends and family who are interested in learning Excel. We will meet in the next session. Till then, keep learning Excel. Thank you.